Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something different. This is just a TV remote. It's infrared, invisible light, right? So I'm just gonna, this is briefly, let me just name some parts in this. I think you all know about this. If you have a TV, then you have this with you. Of course, there are people who don't have TV, so that's not really funny. So I'm one of them. This is a mute. This is a power, yes, and these parameters we put whatever what you want to see. And then here we have the volume on, off, high, plus, less, minus. And this we have the main menu, and as you can see it's written OK, exit, and menu. The name here is menu. And we have a back means we go back to the channels. These are channels because here it means channels. And then we have a TV radio here, and it's all named here actually. And this is a LED infrared, right, invisible light. So today I'm gonna open this remote. I've always been curious because I've never opened a remote inside. Nothing I'm going to do about repair work, and there's no way I'm going to test it because I don't have a TV with me or something that I can use to test. But I just want to see what is inside, and along with that you also know what is there if you have never ever opened one. Okay, so let's go. I've done most of it. I've just opened it. Let me start with this one, the key part. Yeah. This side, these are the blanchers where we input the inputs, parameters, power, mute, exit, menu, main menu, channel back, channels, and so on. So maybe I should you're gonna disengage this one like this. You can see now there is just holes are left there, and this is just rubber where its name it's written over there, the menu and stuff is written here, and this is just the openings, and this is what we call the blanchers. Okay, so I'm putting it back. But this is actually rubber. It's a rubber. I'm trying to put it back. Right, looks like this. It's a rubber, and it's written on top of that. Then we have this guy. I think this is the main guy. Yeah, this is a master here, the controller. This is IC, the Jeep, that controls everything that goes on in this. And then if you look closely, we have, right, okay, this is the infrared invisible light comes through this LED. And then we have the carbon, this dark spot that appear there. This is carbon where the current flows through, and these are traces where the current, how it flows, okay, to those various branches buttons that you saw here, right? And it's put together like this, or looks like this. You can see the cap on the hand, and you can see the traces where the current flows. Pretty clear, but this is what controls everything. This is a Jeep. And then here we have positive, minus. Let me just open further. Okay, you can see now this is just a case. Nothing is there. I've taken this out. Now from the back you can tell I guess this must be negative, this is positive. I'll just check that out. And here you put the batteries here, so you can tell actually. Let me just take my lens. Let me take my lens, and I'll be able to tell you what this is. Yeah, we got plus, yeah, we got minus. Yeah, I'm right. This one is minus and that is plus. That means according to this, then this is minus, this is plus, and from this side, and then it means this is minus here and this is plus. We know what that is. Electrons flow from the positive to the negative. Conventionally is from the negative to the positive. So when you're putting the batteries here, negative and positive, then it's going to flow from here. And you can see that it's actually here soldered, here, and it's here, it links up with the traces, which would current flow to various parts of it, the menu, the parameters, the infrareds, the main menu, the channels, according to how it's controlled from here by this chip. So the main thing is the chip. You have to know, you have to know anyway. This is a chip that controls everything. So this is how this TV remote works. It's just as simple. It's not simple. It's a lot of engineering here. You can see how many traces are there. And the chip itself, the infrared remote, plus minus, where DC current is put. It's using battery, of course. Okay, man. So this is about our beautiful remote. And I guess I have to put it back. I think I'll go even. It's not important. So I done total disassembly of this remote, and unfortunately I can't test it in front of you because the fact that even if I had to do that, I'll need the TV to show you whether it's working or not. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to put it back. It should be relatively easy to do that. I'm trying to put it back. Have you ever opened your remote? You use it, but I guess that, well, it's not going through. I don't know. It's difficult to put these things back, you know. Actually, it's proven to be a big deal. Kind of put it back. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to put this thing back. Not that I need it. I just picked it from the backyard. Come and do a demo to you. Now this TV remote works. Infrared TV remote. It's proven to be really a problem. I don't know whether I'm putting it back the right way. But why is it that it's not going through? Yeah, man. It's done. Yeah, put it back. And this, I'm going to put the batteries here. Yeah. So here goes negative, here goes positive. Negative side of the battery, cathode, anode. back. It's gone. So this is how you use. Oh, come on. This thing went inside. Yeah, it's back. It's normal. This is how you do this. This is a carbon dot. Carbon is here and carbon dot is there. And invisible LED bulb, ICs, carbon current, negative, positive, carbon dot. This is a carbon dot. This is a mute. This will put power on off. It is a main menu parameters. You see inside how it looks like. It's main menu, exit menu, okay, channel back, okay. Yeah, that's all about the remote, infrared remote TV and radio, because it seems also it's operating radio as well. And some of the writings they are in plain English alphabets, nothing complicated here. Plus, minus, info, yeah, pretty much 1, 2, 3 up to 9. This seems to be we call the alphanumeric type. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Today was mechanical engineering stuff, electronics. So please like and share and subscribe to my channel as I bring you more stuff materials. Yeah, I don't undertake repair, guys, because it's quite hectic to do that, and I risk burning myself. It's not convenient here. I can't demo to you, like for example to repair work. I tried that, but I found it was extremely risky. At one time I burned myself when I was trying to do the, what is that, mosquito machine. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and follow me. Tell your friends to also check out me, check out the channel. Okay guys, bye. See you later in another one. Bye.